Okay, we're going to be opening up this chipper shredder from Harbor Freight, Portland chipper shredder, and see what's inside. You know, hello. These are the instructions. Just throw them on the ground. Right here's the smaller stuff. This box here, I'll probably cut it down and use it for the shred or for the chips. See what the bottom looks like. Yeah, that should work for the chips. Okay, let's unwrap this. Put this down. Like a new product condom. Oh, this right here's a bag for the chickens. That's kind of cool, huh? Little handles on it so you can take it wherever you want and toss it. So I probably won't need that box anymore. It comes with these wheels. Oh, hubcaps. Got screws in them. Definitely need hubcaps. Don't want those hubs getting all dirty. And I don't know what that is yet. CD. That's pretty much it. The wheel, all that stuff in the bag, which I like that bag. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.